Welcome to this updated guide on how to clear the cache on Dropbox and free up valuable space on your device. If you've noticed Dropbox taking up more room than expected or running a bit slower, clearing the cache can help things run more smoothly. Let's walk through the simple steps together. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your settings. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile icon or menu button. This is usually found in the top corner of the app. Tap on it to open your account menu. Next, select Settings. This is where you can manage your account preferences, sync options, and storage settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, take a moment to scroll through the options. You'll find sections for notifications, automatic camera uploads, and data usage. Keep scrolling until you see the option labeled Clear Cache. Now, tap on Clear Cache. Dropbox will ask for confirmation before removing temporary files. Go ahead and confirm your choice. The app will quickly clear out unnecessary data, freeing up space on your device. Don't worry, this action won't delete your files, photos, or anything stored in your Dropbox account. It only removes temporary files saved locally to help the app load faster in the future. Once the cache is cleared, you might notice that Dropbox feels a little fresher and more responsive. It's a quick maintenance step that can make a big difference, especially if you use the app often or have limited storage available. For best results, repeat this process every few weeks or whenever you need extra space. It's a fast, reliable way to keep Dropbox running smoothly without affecting your saved files. That's it. You've successfully cleared your Dropbox cache. If this tip helped you, share it with someone who might be trying to free up space too. Thanks for watching.